is your Cash App withdrawal suddenly showing the message, "This withdrawal was canceled for your protection." Don't panic. Yes, it's frustrating, but the good news is, it's completely fixable. Whether you're withdrawing Bitcoin or cash, this guide will walk you through exactly how to fix it, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know why this happens, what you need to do right now, and how to make sure your money reaches its destination, safely and without delays. So stay with me, let's solve this fast. First, retry the transaction. Let's start simple. Cash App sometimes cancels a withdrawal because of a temporary glitch in their system. Here's what to do. Wait a few minutes. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Then try the withdrawal again. Important tip, don't use a VPN while retrying. It can trigger security flags. Next, check your withdrawal limits. This is one of the most common reasons for failed withdrawals. If you're trying to withdraw a large amount of cash or Bitcoin, you might be hitting your limit. Here's how to check. Open Cash App. Tap the profile icon at the top right. Scroll down and select Limits. Tap on Bitcoin withdrawals or cash withdrawals. Now review your daily and weekly limits. If your amount is higher than what's allowed, the transaction will be blocked. In that case, either wait for the limit to reset or withdraw a smaller amount that fits within your available limit. Still not working? Here's why. If retrying and checking limits didn't help, Cash App likely flagged your transaction as suspicious. This happens if you made too many transactions in a short time, you're withdrawing to a new or unverified wallet or bank, there's unusual activity on your account. Cash App will cancel the withdrawal to protect your funds. What to do now? Contact support. Here's how to get direct help from Cash App. Open Cash App. Tap the profile icon. Scroll down and tap Support. Search for Withdrawal Cancelled. Send a message explaining your situation. Their support team can help you verify the transaction and restore your ability to withdraw. Alternative method, Bitcoin workaround. If the issue is specific to Bitcoin withdrawals and still isn't resolved, try this. 1. Convert your Bitcoin to cash inside Cash App. 2. Withdraw the cash to your linked bank account. 3. Once the funds arrive, repurchase Bitcoin using another exchange or wallet. This method lets you access your money without triggering Bitcoin-specific flags. So remember, withdrawal canceled for your protection doesn't mean you've lost your money. It's just Cash App's way of keeping your account safe. Follow the steps I've shown. Retry the transaction, check your limits, contact support, or use the conversion method. And you'll get your money through safely and smoothly. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.